It's delightful to be here. So 21C is the Western Sydney University's response to two big things. A disruption in the future of work that is going to be very real for our graduates, but probably more importantly, a disruption in the future of society. If we don't actually equip our graduates both as leaders and advocates for change, they will not have a society or a world in which to have a job. So equipping them for the future of work is really a secondary set of important skills. The project takes, I suppose, as its premise the idea that university education offers something very important to our students, but it offers something that does need to change if it's going to meet the demands of the future of work and society. Part of the way that we have thought about changing that is a recognition that students these days need to leave university with a hybrid set of capabilities, not the same single set of disciplinary skills that you and I probably graduated with. Part of that hybrid set of capabilities is about adopting a new pedagogy. It's a notion that we talk about as partnership pedagogy. The idea that we will not even think about creating curriculum unless we think about it with our partners. Those are partners in the community, in industry, but most importantly with our students themselves. The idea of having student curriculum partners is the driver, I suppose, of much of the change that we have seen take root at the university. Those students are now doing things that they never imagined that they would do. They are writing subjects that the university is approving and that staff are saying they wish to enrol to study. We have started to think about how we develop new capabilities for our staff as well as our students. That means thinking in different ways about the ways we build curriculum. The idea of curriculum makerspaces where staff actually have fun designing the courses that our students want to study. The key elements of that new curriculum are around some amazing transdisciplinary submajors that pick up on the thematics that we've identified in our research as being important. Notions of global citizens, future thinkers, innovative entrepreneurs, and probably most importantly of all, sustainability advocates. The idea that we want our graduates to go out there and help propel the university's mission around its commitment to the Sustainable Development Goals. The other thing that we have done is think very much around the smaller pieces of curriculum. And these are smaller than a subject, and we call these our curiosity pods. And the curiosity pods are a way you can get excited about and learn about something that is not part of your course. In fact, you may not have even imagined that you would want to study it at university. But these little curiosity pods are about 15 hours of student learning effort. And they give our students a taste of what it might be like to do something outside their discipline area. Those curiosity pods are the things that the members of our community are also thinking about studying and will start to be the alternative credentials of the future. So I suppose sitting underneath that are some ideas that you might want to go and think about. Certainly think about the future of work. That notion of hybrid capability is absolutely central. Think about the Sustainable Development Goals. The university's commitment to those is absolutely paramount and I think is increasingly going to be the important thing that universities around the world must deliver on. And then think about partnership pedagogy. If you want to read about partnership pedagogy, there's a chapter in a book that a colleague and I, Jenny Pizzica, have just written, which is around reimagining pedagogies in higher education. And that's available. You can have a look for it on the website if you'd like. Best website to find all this is 21C. Just get onto Western Sydney University and Google the 21C project. You'll find that. Thank you.